Kisan Dost Formula, a natural breakthrough in organic farming. In recent years, Pakistan's agricultural landscape has faced a growing crisis: hardened, lifeless soil and declining crop quality. Despite using fertilizers and chemicals, farmers have seen diminishing returns, poor harvests, and rising input costs. But a silent revolution is underway, one that's restoring the health of our soil and the promise of our farms. At the heart of this transformation is the Kisan Dost Formula, a natural organic solution developed after 25 years of research by agricultural innovator Syed Babar Bukhari. This formula is designed to solve the root problem, literally, by reviving the most essential layer of life on Earth: the soil. The core problem: hardened, dead soil. Most agricultural land in Pakistan has become severely compacted. Traditional chemical fertilizers only penetrate the top 6 inches of soil, forming a dry crust that prevents water and nutrients from reaching deeper. Roots remain shallow, plants grow weak, and soil loses its natural fertility. The Kisan Dost solution: deep natural revival. Kisan Dost Formula is a non-toxic organic activator that breaks the hardened top layer of soil, softening it up to 2 feet on first use, and even deeper with continued application. It transforms the soil into a sponge-like, gel-textured layer that retains moisture, nutrients, and air. The ideal conditions for root development. Within just 10 to 15 days, noticeable changes begin to emerge. Soil becomes looser and richer in texture. Water starts to retain at deeper levels instead of evaporating quickly. Roots grow deeper and stronger, reaching untouched nutrients. Plants become visibly more vibrant, healthier, and more productive. Economic impact: better crops, higher prices. Perhaps the most striking result seen by farmers is the sharp increase in crop market value. Vegetables and fruits grown with Kisan Dost Formula consistently appear fresher, more colorful, and aromatic, making them stand out in local markets. Retailers and consumers alike report stronger aroma and shine, longer shelf life and reduced spoilage, richer taste and texture, higher prices per kilo compared to regular produce. These differences have turned ordinary harvests into premium produce. Kisan Dost Formula is lab-tested and confirmed non-toxic. It contains no harmful chemicals and is safe to handle directly, a sustainable vision for Pakistan's agriculture. This formula is more than just a product. It's a new mindset for farming. Farmers using it have reported reduced input costs, fertilizer, water, and pest control, higher yield from even smaller plots of land, to achieve greater harvest with fewer resources, while preserving the health of the environment for future generations. Moving towards self-sufficiency. In a time when global food supply chains are unstable, Pakistan must reduce its reliance on imported grains and vegetables. Kisan Dost Formula offers a practical path to food security by transforming ordinary land into fertile ground that feeds more people, more nutritiously, with less chemical intervention. Let's rebuild our soil, regenerate our farms, and reclaim our agricultural strength naturally. Kisan Dost Formula. Because the health of our land is the future of our people.